What's up, everybody? I'm stopping in real quick as I'm emulsifying some raw sugar into some raw labs. And this is sucking in here. It's sugar cane natural. It is not brown sugar. Brown sugar is nothing more than white table sugar that they went and added the molasses back into, where this was pulled before all the molasses were spun out of it. And Jaggery is honestly what you really want, which is pure raw sugar that it still has molasses in it before they even spun it and remove it. It's sugar that's already crystallized within the molasses. But most of us do not have access to that. We don't live near cane fields where they process it and harvest it. So your raw sugar will be your next bet. And take your time emulsifying it in. And it's equal parts per weight. So if you have a pound of raw lab, you want to do a pound of raw sugar. And take your time slowly adding it and emulsifying it in. Right now I'm stuck using this hand mixer, but I got a large restaurant submersible hand mixer I'm gonna get because I'm doing much larger batches now. But yeah, just take your time, and this is what makes it shelf stable. So if you don't want to keep it in your refrigerator, you can keep it out and put 65 degrees or less in the shade this way, and it'll be good for about a year. So I just thought I'd stop in and share that with everybody. Happy growing, my friends.